Hello friends, now we are going to visit a wonderful place, Fakieh Aquarium, which is situated in Jeddah. Fakieh Aquarium is the first marine exhibition of its kind in Saudi Arabia, and it's no coincidence that it finds itself within earshot of the city's lapping Red Sea. The sprawling tunnels and vast tanks that make up the aquarium house over 200 species, and around 85% of them are native to Jeddah's undisturbed coral reefs. It makes this colorful window onto the Red Sea the next best way to experience the region's vibrant underwater ecosystem without needing to squeeze into scuba gear. Accompanied by a meditative soundtrack and enclosed in cavern walls, a trip through the aquarium brings you face to face with some of the 800 Red Sea oddities that don't exist anywhere else on the planet. Throughout the tour, detailed information is provided in both English and Arabic. And it also helps us to learn about fish like the Napoleon wrasse, which are all born female before some transform into males on maturity. There is also the territorial Sohal surgeon fish, endemic to the Red Sea and named for its scalpel-sharp fin. For more peculiarities, seek out the upside-down jellyfish known as the Cassiopeia or the thin, long garden eels with their playful tendency to bob up and down in the sand as visitors approach. Less amusing is the fish you will be relieved to see in a tank rather than in the open sea. A stern-looking stonefish, deemed the most venomous fish in the world, possessing enough venom to kill a fully grown man in under 5 minutes. The knowledgeable staff is also proud to inform visitors that some of the endangered marine life, including giant turtles, have been rescued following injuries or illness. Those that are able to fully recover are then released back into their natural habitat. Naturally, the sharks and penguins are its big attraction, and a stroll through the immersive acrylic tunnel casts visitors amid deep blue waters, surrounded by bulky guttafish, zebra sharks, giant groupers, and sand tiger sharks, the only shark known to gulp and store air in its stomach to maintain buoyancy. There is also marine life on shore from the Arabian Gulf, Cape Verde, the Maldives, Japan, and Australia, along with 4 humbled penguins from Peru, who add plenty of charm to a tour that closes with a tank of undulating jellyfish lit up in shades of purple, green, and blue. The aquarium opens at 10 a.m. on weekdays, 1:30 p.m. on Fridays, and 1 p.m. on Saturdays, staying open until 11 p.m. Tickets cost SAR 65 with free entry for those under 2 years old. If a tour of the aquarium has built up an appetite, there is no shortage of options nearby. Blue Ocean Restaurant is a 10-minute walk away and allows visitors to enjoy expansive views of the Red Sea. For those in search of more diversion, the Fakia Aquarium's neighbors serve up a family-friendly entertainment bundle including the Fakia Planetarium, the lively Al Shalal theme park, and the popular Jeddah beach. Families can also enjoy the amazing dolphin and sea lion show every day. and later on this year, they will get the opportunity to swim with the dolphins. Hope you have enjoyed the tour of the aquarium. Please stay tuned for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.